KAMAX ATV Loader W6. The ultimate all-terrain work machine. High-performance integrated full-time 4WD with differential lock. Tighter turns, greater control, unbeatable escapability. Sun, rain, wind. Stay protected with a durable cabin cover that keeps you productive and comfortable all day long. Industrial-grade reinforced rear axle reduces shock and maximizes ability for all your heavy-duty hauling. Full-time 4WD conquers mud, sand, and rocks, ensuring safe, efficient transport across any rugged environment. KAMAX Workline, engineered to do more.